living life like a dream, but I don't get no rest. I just got a new girl, but I'm thinking, ooh, next. Started off in first class, now I'm jumping off a jet. I put diamonds all on you, hey. I put diamonds all on my wrist, hey. I put diamonds all on my...
Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'll be showing you how I maintain my braids over a long period of time. First, you want to take whatever gel it is that you use. In my case, it's Eco Styler. You're going to want to apply the gel to lay down all the flyaway hairs. Now wrap your head with whatever it is that you use, whether if it's a scarf, a do-rag, a towel. No, don't use a towel. But do that and wait like between half an hour to an hour, or whenever it is that you feel like taking it off. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready to unwrap my braids. Oh my god, I need a brush. I'm sorry, I'll be back. I'll give you a closer look and let y'all be the judge of my results. If you feel this was helpful, like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
Got it out the mud. What up? What up? Don't want her. She above. All my jewels, they on flood. You want war? Then let her tell me what you want. Man, it is what it was.